Fall protection systems are designed to reduce the number of falls while making it easier for employees to perform their daily tasks, increasing their productivity and safety. Today we'll be introducing the MSA's Latchways Vertical Ladder Lifeline Kits. The MSA's Latchways Vertical Ladder Lifeline Kits are approved to the CSA Z259.2.5 standard. The system allows you to move freely up and down a fixed ladder. You will not need to disconnect and find new attachment points. In the event of a fall, the climbing device automatically activates the vertical lifeline and the hooks, which will immediately stop the fall and save your life. The Latchways Vertical Ladder Lifeline Kits must be used in conjunction with the Latchways Ladder Latch climbing device. This device includes a star wheel, allowing the device to pass over the cable support without having to detach itself. The system also includes an anti-reverse mechanism so that the device is not disconnected from the cable when reversed. The Latchways Vertical Ladder Lifeline Kits comes in different lengths for different ladder heights, from 6 meters, which is about 20 feet, to 27 meters, which is about 90 feet. Accessories such as a galvanized extension post are also included. If you have any questions or require any assistance from our specialists, do not hesitate to contact our Customer Relations Center or visit our website.